Welcome back to my English online classroom YouTube channel. Today's topic is on the uses of preposition. Well, I have got 25 questions here. I have already written it, and now I will be explaining one by one about the important prepositions, appropriate prepositions which are appropriate for these questions. Now first, fill in the blanks with preposition. This is mainly for class 5 to 8. Sometimes there are some questions which will be useful for board's exam, for St. Mary's School or ICSE board. Now let's get started. First one, this train is running time. What preposition is appropriate? Prepositions that are used to express time are in, on, at. At time, no, at time is not appropriate. At is used for specific point of time at 5 p.m. By time, no. What will be used here? Think clearly. In time and on time. These two both are correct, but not in this situation. Only one preposition is appropriate here. This time is running in time or on time. In time means to be within the stipulated time. He came to the spot in time. We reached the station in time, but in this case, will be used. On time means punctually, without delay. Running on time, that means keeping good time, keeping right time. This train is running on time nowadays. Okay, I think it is clear. On time and in time are different. In time means to reach somewhere in time, within the time fixed. But on time means regularly. On time means punctually. On time means keeping the right time. Okay, let's go to the next topic. He said this oath, to swear something. This is also related with this word on oath. On will be used here. On is appropriate. He said this on oath, not by oath. If oath is there before oath, we use. There are some words which are followed by some particular preposition. In time, on time. Here on will be used. On time means regularly, punctually. On oath, here on is used. On will be used because on oath it is appropriate. Before this word, look very carefully the uses of word on will be used here. No other preposition is appropriate. Similarly, let us come to the third point. Third question. He came here on foot. On foot it is used to where when we go somewhere on walking, by walking. By walking, he came here by walking, but if foot is used here, then on foot will be used. On preposition will be used. No other preposition is appropriate here. Number 4. I know him by name. I know him by name. I know his name, and thus I know him. How do you know? By face, by name. How do you know him? I may ask you questions. What is your relation? Do you know him? Yes, I know him by name. That means you know his name. So in this case we can use this preposition. I know him by name. Number 5. He is work now. He is work now. He is at work now. At will be used here because at means a situation where something is going on. Men are at work. We are at play. This type of uses. This type of situation requires at preposition. At means a particular time, at the time of action. He is at work now. Number 6, she is playing on a sitar. Sitar is a instrument, musical instrument. On the piano, he is working on the piano. He is playing on the piano, on a sitar. She is playing. That means she is using this musical instrument. In this case, we use she is playing on a sitar. On the harmonium, he is busy on a harmonium with this thing. This type of this, she is playing on a sitar. Before musical instrument on is used, and at the same time article is used. Don't go out. Don't go out in the sun. We live on rice. We live on rice. On rice means this is our main food. We live on rice. That means this is the main food. We take rice as our main food. In the similar way, some other uses. Look at some other uses. Goats live on grass. That means goats, cattle live on grass. That means grass is the main ingredient, main food that they take. We live on rice. Goats and cattle live on grass. Live on means to feed on. On rice means we feed on rice. Is it clear? Now question number 9. He came to power soon. He came to power soon. Number 10. Send the news by wire. By wire. Through telegram. He was beaten to death. He was beaten to death. He was death. He died due to beating, due to the punishment, due to beating. He was beaten to death. That means he died ultimately. He is in power now. He is in power now. Look at the difference. Look at the difference. He came to power. He came because he came. There is a force. He was not in power, but he came to power, from one position to another position, from without power to power. But here it means stay. He is now he is in power now. There is no movement or direction of movement. There is no. He is now a state of being. He is now in power. He is now power. But here state of movement, direction is indicated. He came to power. He has no power. Now he came to power, from one condition to another condition. And that is, he came into the room. He came to power. This type of preposition should be clearly noticed, clearly followed. Now number 13. I did this for you. I did this for you. On behalf of you, for you. I did this for you. Number 14. The proposal you sent to the board is under consideration. The proposal you sent to the board is under consideration. I paid him in cash. In cash. Not by cash. I paid him in cash or by check. We started in the dawn. If this preposition, this article is not used here, if it is not here, then we started at dawn, before a particular time, noon, night, midnight, we use at. But look at carefully the use of this article. Before this article, if this article is used, the is used in the morning, in the afternoon, in the night, in the noon, if the is used before such time, then in will be used here. In will be used. This is the difference. At dawn, but in the dawn. I found the children at play. I found the children at play. The workmen are at play. He is at work now. A condition. A going on condition. He is at play. He is now at work. The similarly, at will be used here. I found the children at play because they are playing now. So at will be used here. I don't expect such treatment at your hand. At your hand. He studied at this university. He studied at this university. In this university may be also correct. Fish is sold here by the kilogram. By the kilogram. By meter. Clothes are sold here by meter, etc. By kilo. It is a unit by which fish are sold here. Fish is sold here by the kilogram. A good teacher teaches by example. By example means to give examples during explanation. By example. A good teacher teaches by example. Look at the next number 22. I am older than you by 5 months. I am older than you by 5 months. By 5 months. By is used to indicate how old are you, how much older are you. He left for home. He left for home. He left for home. He left for Delhi. We started for Delhi. This type of for our destination. Before the places of destination, we use for. He left for Delhi. 24. I am in the dark about this matter. I am in the dark about this matter. I am in the dark about this matter. I don't know anything about it. That is, I am in the dark. In this case, we use in. Look very carefully the 25 number. We are at the last number 25. I told you I will discuss today 25 questions on preposition. Now we are at the last number. He came in or on. What will be the correct answer? Tell. Guess. We have seen that on time is appropriate here. On time. Running. The train is running on time. That means regularly. But here you cannot use on. He came in time. He came within the time speculated or within the fixed hour. He came in time. He was not late. He came in time. So thank you for listening and watching this video. I think it will help you a lot. Now another extra question is there. Can you say what preposition will be used here? Airplanes can fly supersonic speed. Aeroplanes or airplanes can fly supersonic speeds. Supersonic speed. At supersonic speed will be here because at is used in order to indicate a speed limit or some unit, etc. Speed limit at specific time at 5 p.m. at high speed. In order to indicate speed, we use this preposition at. Airplanes can fly at supersonic speeds. In the same way, we can use vehicles are running at high speed. Okay. Thank you everyone once again for watching this video. If you use this, if you notice the uses of this preposition, I think it will help you a lot. Thank you. If you like this video, please share this video so that your friends can watch and take benefit from it. Okay.